What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do something pretty simple. It's just something that you can do on the daily, but still makes it look like you kind of put some effort in. So I'm going to take Pukey and use it as my transition shade here first. After that, I'm going to go in with Pukey and Pooter, and I'm going to put that more so in my crease, just to give it a little bit more depth. And then after I apply my colors, I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush and just go over the edges to make sure we have no extra harsh lines. And then to deepen that a little bit more, I'm going to take Mocha, which is like a warmer brown, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. You will notice that I'm using the same fluffy brush, but I will go in with a smaller, more condensed brush later on in the video. So now I'm just taking that same clean fluffy brush and going over the edges to make sure everything is blended out completely. Now I'm going to take that same Mocha shade. This is a smaller precision brush that I was talking to you about. I'm going to apply it on my outside V, and then I'm also going to bring that up into the crease once most of the product has been distributed. You, of course, can totally skip this step. It just makes it look like you've put in a little bit more work, and it looks a little bit more done up when cutting the crease. So here you'll just see me taking a small concealer brush and some creamy concealer and cutting out my lid and preparing it for the eyeshadow we're going to apply. Going back in with that same brush that we used to apply Mocha into the outer corner, I'm just going to take it over all of the harsh lines just to blend everything out. I'm going to go in with Silk Cream. Silk Cream is going to be our lid color. It's just very neutral. Obviously, you can use like a glitter or even like a more vibrant color like Beam, but I just wanted to be this kind of subtle natural, not really natural, but what am I thinking? Just effortless look, I guess you can say, even though we put a lot of effort into it. But now I'm just going to go over that same Mocha shade and just deepen up the outer corner just to make sure we didn't lose any of the pigment. And I am going to go over that line, that harsh line, to blend everything out. Now going back in with Pukey, I'm going to take that on the bottom lash line all the way under. I also did go in with Mocha and put it very close to my tight line and blended that out as well. Now I am going to use this is more of like a pinky color. It's not completely white, more like a just a skin tone color, like a nude, and I went on the inner waterline. I like doing this on natural looks just because it really does open up the eyes a lot more if you have smaller eyes like I do. I did already apply my eyeliner. Now I'm just going to go in, curl my lashes, apply some mascara, apply my false lashes. These are E2 by Lashes in a Box. And then at the very end, you'll see me add some mascara to the bottom lashes, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know what you thought about this video in the comment section below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys. See you soon.